So in Thunderbit, you can actually go ahead and give URLs to Thunderbit so that it can scrape off the data in batch as well. For example, over here, when you open up Thunderbit, you can see that URL is an option. And here it says you can go ahead and add in maximum of 2000 URLs, or you can even go ahead and import out CSV or Excel file with the URLs right here. In my case, I got a notepad and simply I got 3 URL example, as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and copy and then paste this out right here. It says 1 URL per row right here. You can either use cloud mode or browser mode for this. So browser mode is when it actually goes ahead and accesses out the URL one by one in order to go ahead and scrape off the data. But in this case, I want to go ahead and use cloud mode, which is much more faster and it runs in server so that the scraping of multiple pages happen at once. So now once that is selected, I got 3 pages right here. Let me just go ahead and click on next. And now you can see that I can go ahead and utilize a scraper template right here, or I can simply create a new scraper template and use AI right here to go ahead and create out scraper templates right here. So you can see that I can go ahead and then generate out subpage fields as well. And it goes ahead and reads off all of the data right here. So it says opening the first URL right here, just like this. And it went ahead and then, let's say, for example, made the, a scrape list. And now if I were to go ahead and click on next right here, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and now utilize the data right here in order to go ahead and scrape off the data. So you can see that it is scraping off 3 pages right here. So it's extracting the data right here off of these 3 tables. And you will be able to go ahead and open up the live table result as well, just like this. And you'll be able to see like where it gets the information from. So you can see that it simply goes ahead and scrapes off the data right there, just like that. So now you can go ahead and simply get all of the details as you want from multiple pages at once right there. And you will be able to go ahead and see the details right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and scrape off the existing URL list at once by using Thunderbit as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.